We may or may not use that. I'm just gonna. My name is Christina Scarlett. My role is manager of internal tools and automation. And I've been with Vimeo for a little over 3 years, and my pronouns are she, her. So our team looks into how we can make the tools that we currently use more efficient, and also how to automate some processes that already exist to make people's lives easier, which I really enjoy. Here at Vimeo, I feel like I have been able to explore a lot of different ideas and roles and jobs and people in a way that has been so rewarding. Where I'm at now, I never would have known this is where I would want to be, or what I liked, without having all those conversations and people just being so open to talking to me about what they do and what they like to do. I'm a very curious person, and I think that was something I brought through all of the work that I've done, wanting to connect the dots and be able to talk in a way about technology to anyone, because I think tech could feel really intimidating to people, but it shouldn't be. And so I think being able to talk in a way that is not so full of acronyms, I think is really helpful.